Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Leanna here. Welcome to the 12 days of Christmas. Did you see that fly? There's a fly. It's December. Look at him. What? It's December. Look at him. Where did you come from? Is that a bad omen? Is that like Amityville horror I've got going on? Welcome to day 12. It is day 12. Of the 12 days of Christmas, we have finally reached day 12. If you're new to the 12 days of Christmas, you can go back for the full meaning, but the 12 days of Christmas normally started on Christmas Day and went through to the Epiphany. So we are doing the 12 days of Christmas, and on each day I am giving you a wish to correspond with that day's month. And of course today's month is December. But before I give you your wish, let me give you a little bit of history about the month of December. December is the last month, as we all know, in our current calendar. However, in the Roman calendar, it was the 10th month. And so December comes from the Latin word decim, which means 10. Back in the Roman times, the calendar only had 10 months, and December was the 10th month. The Romans did not have months for the winter months. There were 2 months missing. They only went in a 10-month cycle. Because during the winter time, there was no activities, no military activities, no civic activities, no agriculture. There was nothing. Everything was dormant, so they didn't recognize those months. The month of December originally consisted of only 30 days. And then when they added January and February, they took a day away, so then it only had 29 days. And then for the Julian calendar, 2 days were added, making it 31 days long. I don't know why. That's just what happened. Obviously, December has lots of special days. December the 6th is St. Nicholas Day. December the 7th is National Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day. December 15th is the Bill of Rights Day. December 17th is the Wright Brothers Day. December 21st is the winter solstice, which is the first day of winter. December 25th is Christmas Day. December 26th is Boxing Day and the first day of Kwanzaa. And on December 31st, you need to be kissing the person you want to be kissing for the entire new year. Just for fun, holidays are December 11th is International Mountain Day. December 13th is National Violin Day. December 13th is National Day of the Horse. December the 20th is Underdog Day. And December 26th is National Candy Cane Day. Now, if you go look up a calendar online, if you Google it, there are many, many, many more days in the month of December that are celebrated for different things. These are just what was in the Farmer's Almanac. There's World AIDS Day is on the 1st. The 3rd is International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The 5th is International Volunteer Day. There are lots of days. It's fun to go look up to see what all of the days are, the real holidays, but then the fun ones that they throw in there too. What is happening? Dexter. So, here we are on the 12th day, and the meaning of December is 10. And the meaning of the number 10 is what I'm going to tell you. So, let's do a quick recap because it's interesting that all of the wishes that I have wished for you so far have led to this one. And I did not plan that at all. We started out with January. I wished you for amazing new beginnings. And then in February, we're going to cleanse and purify. In March, we're going to try something new. In April, we're going to be open-minded, open to possibilities, open hearts. In May, we're going to either spend time with our elders and listen to their wisdom, or we're going to be an elder and give our wisdom to others. In June, we're going to concentrate not only on our physical health, but our mental health. In July, we're going to work on our independence. In August, we're going to look at all the ways that we are majestic. In September, we're going to concentrate on completion. In October, we're going to look at how we are limitless. In November, we're going to embrace change. And in December, my wish for you is that all of those things, once we have gone through each month, is going to give you or help you build or strengthen your self-confidence. The number 10 means self-confidence. How amazing is that? That's just amazing. So in the month of December, I want you to think about all the things that have happened throughout the year. Hopefully, you will have your New Year's jar and you're putting everything good that has happened throughout the year, or any other things that you want to remember about your year, into that jar, which will also help to build your self-confidence, because we're not focusing on the negative. Concentrate on your self-confidence for the month of December so that you can carry all of that, all of the things that we've done throughout the year, either newfound self-confidence or a strengthened self-confidence and lots of positive energy from your New Year's jar we can carry then into 2023. So there we go. We have one little lonely bag and the last door on my Sigma 12 Days of Beauty. Number 12 is right here. And I'm thinking that this is an eyeshadow palette. Or maybe I'm hoping that it's an eyeshadow palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. I am so excited because I love my eyeshadow palettes. Like, out of all the makeup that I have. Oh, how sad. Closing it for the last time. Out of all of my makeup, I love my eyeshadow palettes, and this is spicy. And it was killing me because all up through New Year, I kept getting all of these emails about these amazing sales they were having at Sigma, and I didn't want to buy anything because I didn't know what was... I mean, I literally have opened this one day at a time. I did not cheat. It has been day by day by day. What a pretty palette. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I'm very excited. I have not tried any of Sigma's shadows or any of their other makeup for that matter, so I'm excited. Thank you so much, Sigma. I love that. It was well worth the money, and for anybody that's interested in that, it's still available on their website, and I think the last time I checked, it's normally $100, and right now it is $65, but I got it Black Friday, and I paid $70 for it during their Black Friday sale, so I think that I will definitely be getting this again next year. I really did enjoy that. Do you know what else this is the last day for this crazy hat and all of these Christmas decorations. I get to take them down. I sound like a bah humbug, don't I? A Grinch. Y'all gonna miss my little hat. Thank you guys so very much for hanging in there with me and sticking it out through the entire 12 days. I am blown away by how many of you watch the videos every day, and I so thoroughly enjoyed all of your comments. And I'm thinking that going forward into each month, we will maybe start the month out with a reminder video. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me, put on some makeup, and we'll recap what my wish is for you for that month. That'll be fun. Then that way I can remind myself, because I intend to do all of these things too. I need some new beginnings. I need to purify and cleanse, and I need to try something new. I need to be open-minded to some things, and all of those things, the wishes that I gave you, I also need. So I will be doing those each month throughout this coming year, and filling up my New Year's jar. Don't forget the New Year's jar. So I really do appreciate all of you hanging in there with me. I am so happy to gift some of these. I didn't open the bag. Lord have mercy. I don't know. I done forgot all about the bag. I'm not even going to edit that out. I'm going to leave it in there because I was so happy to think about taking this hat off. I ain't thought about the other gift. There's one more gift. Do y'all want another gift? Let's see. What's in the last bag? This is a sheet mask. Because I had a lot of sheet mask, y'all. I need to spread the love. This is Coconut Water Infused Moisturizing Mask. Skin Paradise is closer than you think. From e.l.f. These e.l.f. masks are pretty good, actually. And then we have Juice Beauty. This is SPF 30 Oil-Free Moisturizer. And it says the organic solution. So there you go. Juice Beauty and a sheet mask for day number 12. I really thoroughly enjoyed doing these videos. I really did. So thank you so much for hanging out with me and letting me gift you 12 wishes for 12 months. Because I truly do want all of you to have a beautiful 22. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, I finally get to take this hat off. Whew, that puppy's hot. I think it's time for me to pass the hat on to somebody. Maybe it can travel like Trent. Christopher, would you be confident if I sent you this? Maybe I need to send you this hat. You could wear it fishing. And you could hang a hook. And hang over the water and hang a hook. Maybe it'll help you catch a fish. Maybe the hat will give you more confidence to catch a fish. Because, I mean, look at it. Look how cute it is. See, it wiggles like a fishing pole. It's got wires in it so you can make it longer. Okay. Mama loves you, boo.